Once upon a time, there was a little hungry dog. He found a big juicy bone. He was very happy and said, I will eat this big juicy bone when I go to the home. He was looking to the beach. Then he saw his reflection in the river and said, this dog has bigger bone than me, I will steal it. He barked to take that, but the bone fell into the river and the dog lost his bone.